Sinethalente bafethu eMzansi, sinethalente eMzansi bafethu. Shout out to lo mfethu owayedlala ku-Generations owayebizwa ngomregza. Anganomsekhona lo othandana noLusi kuthiwa umregza. That guy is multi-talented guys. Umrapper lo mfethu and ishow yakhe lekuthiwa Twice a Show. Ufika nobe MC ngesikhathi interviewer nge-hip hop. Uyarapper nawe fanele uphendule ngokuthi urappe. So ufike nomrapper abaningi.
The flow's prachtig en ballastig. No die last, we dripping like Vaslab. Okasiaka mensa fast rap. And if you get clapped, it's tough love.
Ngoba ngisho ukuthi ufike nomrapper abaningi.
Ngiyabonga King Twice ngongamukela kamnandi mina igama lami unjokozo ngapha bathi nguzakwe abanye bathi nickname noma igama lespan but ngikhona ngizobacebisa ngenzo kwesibongo sabo
ngoba ngisho ukuthi ufike nomrapper abaningi.
I'm a go-to silver tongue bronze skin bar spitter carved in the form of God lost in the fall my pen's liable circles around him like Venn diagrams the fire and the brimstone of sin.
Aphinde wafika nomrapper abaningi.
The most feared, the most underrated, the most unreal, and still to be as most decorated, celebrated, loved and hated, greatest to have ever made it. Love the haters, they will acknowledge the boy.
Ufika ngisho ne-Pitch Black Afro.
Keep up more what? Keep up Pitch Black Afro. Back for the push zizi yebo. Ngikhuta my chest abusithandi nalabo bangasithandi. I hope nimnandi sibemnandi ngoba senandi yabo.
Kubona bonke umrapper sekafika nabo guys but I salute the best MC akafika nayo. Igama lakhe uGolden Shovel. That guy is dope.
Who are you? I'm the legendary mighty golden shovel. What it do? Pulling strings like an octopus and fools try to rule. Capital O for optical illusion. Soul syndicate the catalyst for social evolution.
Omunye ke osangididisa namanje ukuthi wayefike kanjani lapha engamazi nokuthi lento ayiyenza ayibizwa ngani. Lokuthu ayifani ayi.
Ha ha ha. Hey money. Ha ha ha. Ay funny. Ha. Hey money. Ha ha. Ay funny.
Rise,